Hi, we have designed an e-commerce platform for Nirvana Spiritual Retreat. This is for trial run only. So we will have our product to be sale here in this portal, in this platform basically. So this platform is, as I told you, that this is an e-commerce platform. So we have register for users, login, wish list, shopping cart, things like that, even search for any product we have added. And we have static page as well. So not exactly static, actually these are actually CMS, content management system. So we can manage those static page content from the backend, or we can save from the admin portal. So as we have the design earlier, so we have chosen the theme, color, and the pages are same. So we have just added those cabins as a product here as of now. And so let's check it out. So these are the menus, and this is the home page is working. Home page has those images, the sliders, and it has little bit about Nirvana spiritual retreat. So I have taken this content from the Nirvana retreat page, and now this is the interesting thing. This is our feature products. The cabins like romantic loft cabin, cozy cabin, or deluxe timber cabin. So here we can actually have its price, selling price, how many days for it is, and because the romantic loft cabin is for 2 days, at least for 2 days, and other two cabins are for per day. So we can see the reviews given by the customer as well. So from this page also we can directly book this cabin, or we can go and check the cabin details. So details are like romantic loft cabin, small details about it, and as it is rental thing. So we have start date and end date here, and we have book now button. So there are other images of the cabin, and here you have more discussion about this cabin and what are the facilities or amenities being provided, and you can see the related products also. So these are the related products we have. So from here itself we can actually book. So let's book for on let's say on 30th September to 30th September itself, and I say book now. So it's been added to my shopping cart. So here you can see that shopping cart has one cabin, and if we go for go to cart and check out, so you will have a booking with us. So this is how this product will work. So even you can see the reviews given by the customers. So by clicking on the review, you can give your review, as well as you can see what people have given. Now let's go to the static pages. As I told you, this is not static pages, these are CMS. So let's check around Nirvana. So I have just, as I told you, I have taken those text and images or videos from our old site. So here we have yoga walk. So yoga walk will have this kind of thing. So actually these will also be, as this is our services, so this will also be taken as a product. So we need to add that. Initially I just taken the cabins part. So here we have just be. So yeah, this is how it's look, and we have footer here in every page, and we have header. I forgot to mention you that when the header also have this thing, and also we can see the price in Australian dollar and US dollar as well. So this can be configurable, everything, and this portal is configurable. So even we can choose the currency, we can it will automatically get calculated by the exchange rate. And yeah, so this is how it works. So we have FAQ pages. This is also you can manage from CMS backend, from admin panel. This is blog. So we have 3 blogs now, and this is contact us. So contact us. has the address, and the Google Map also has a contact us form. So any query customer can write here. So if you go for register, you can see this. It will ask you for the personal details. We can remove whatever we don't need here. This is completely configurable, so there will be no issues. And yeah, so if you go with login, so you can log in and check your account. So let me log in as a user here, so I can show you more details. See, as I have logged in, so now I can so now I'm having a new link here called my account. So if we go to my account, so I can see this is my information, what I have entered during the registration, and this is the addresses where this is the address I choose when I book. So and I can see my order history. So this is the order history. This is the past booking, and this is a new one. So if I go to check the details, click on details, so I can see this is how this is a billing address, this is a payment method I have chosen, pay at check-in. So, and this is what I have booked: romantic locked cabin, and adult one, children no, infant no. So I have around $195 to be paid, pay at check-in. So even I can take a print copy of this also. This is how it will look. Even if I want, I can go and check with other things also. Like we can allow them to we can allow user to download this as a PDF also. So even if I get get any point, that also can be reconfigurable from the backend, and I'll have changed password. And if I have given any reviews to the product, I can see what are the reviews I have given. So this is how this uh, actually public portal will be looking like. And to managing this whole business, and you check the sales, and managing the pages, all those things are in administrative panel. So uh, that may we cover in next video. So this is for the reference of the public store. So even as I told you, this is all configurable. So we can configure anything if we want. And one more thing I just need to show you again is let's book one. So I have added one romantic love tune. Let's say not romantic. Let's take deluxe single cabin. So I just take this. Yeah, book. So that's been added to my shopping cart. Now there are two things. So if I want, I can remove this one. So I will go with 0 and then update shopping. So I have only one deluxe single cabin. So it is asking me about how many adults, how many children, how many infants, uh, and if I have any discount coupon or gift card that I can use here. And this is also again configurable from the admin panel. So now I can see this is $195 is my total point, and I'll agree with the term and condition. I say check out. So now I can see this is the address, my billing address. If I want, I can change it, or I'll choose this one and I say continue. So now it's asking me, this is actually we can remove, we don't need that. This is basically for shipping any product. So again we can remove this page or step, there is no problem. And now this is payment method. So we can go with credit card, or we can pay at checking. That means cash. So I'll go with the cash because I didn't have any information about credit card, and this is a dummy one. So let's continue, and this is how the payment information is looking like. Again, this information can be modified from our administrative portal. So now I say continue. Finally, I can check this is a billing address, this is a shipping address, this is a payment method. and this is the thing I have chosen, and this is all my total amount is this, and now I can say confirm. So when I say confirm, it is confirmed, and actually mail will come to my inbox, which I have disabled because this is running in local server. So anyways, this is how it's look like. So if I click on continue, I can check. Yeah, I go to home page. Again, if I go and check with my order, I can see there is another one order is here. So this is how it's worked. Let's go to administrative panel in our next video. Thank you.